In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom HTML block in Mobirise for blank space or custom design. We'll walk through a clean, beginner-friendly process so you can customize your page exactly where you want it. First, log into Mobirise and open the project you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct site or page, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once your project loads, make sure you're on the page where you want to place the custom block. Next, open the blocks list. Look to the bottom right corner of your Mobirise interface for the red circular plus button. Clicking this button opens the blocks library, which is your catalog of ready-made sections and special blocks that you can add to your page. Keep this panel open while you decide on placement. Now scroll through the available blocks and locate the HTML or custom HTML block. This is commonly found in the User tab or a special section. Keep in mind that this option is available if you have the Code Editor extension. If you don't see it, it usually means the extension isn't enabled in your setup. When it is available, it appears as a blank or minimal block designed specifically for inserting your own code. When you find it, drag the HTML block into your page and drop it exactly where you want it. You can position it between existing sections or at the top or bottom of your page. If you change your mind later, you can always drag the block to a new spot, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. With the block placed, hover your mouse over it to reveal the editing controls. Click the Code Editor or Block Parameters button. This is often a blue button that opens the editing panel. Inside, you can remove any placeholder content, so you're starting with a clean slate. From here, add your own HTML and CSS. For a simple blank space, keep it minimal. A lightweight container with a defined height or spacing works well. For a custom design, structure your HTML and apply styles thoughtfully. Aim for clean, responsive code and consider using relative units like percentages or rem for better scaling across devices. As you edit, watch how your changes affect the block in real time. Keep your code organized and comment your sections if needed, so it's easy to revisit later. When you're satisfied, close the editor to return to your page view, and you're done. That's all it takes to add a custom HTML block in Mobirise and create precisely the space or design you need.